Alright, hey, how's everybody doing? Check it out. I just wanted to show you a couple things that I've been doing on the Miata. Check it out. I painted that little part there on the door handle. Put the JDM shift knob. Cleaned it up in here a little bit. I put this in from my other car. Took out the ashtray. Make it a little bit more modern. Cleaned this guy up. It's still a little dirty, but it's starting to come out a lot better. Yeah, guys, check it out. I even put these seal plates. Shout out to Oh Yeah About That. He's the one that gave me and my brother the idea for this. We went down to Lowe's or Home Depot, picked up some garden edging, I think it was, and put it on here so it could protect the paint. So yeah, guys, I did that. Got the new seal plates. Like I said, put the cup holder, cleaned it up a little bit. Cleaned it up a lot, really. It was really dirty, dusty. Looks good now. Looks clean. Don't smell. Oh yeah, check it out. If you go back to the first video, you could see it had a piece of like black plastic. So we had some Flex Seal. I'm gonna put it on here. Made a good little seal there. Looks like crap, but it's working pretty good. Put another little seal right there. There's a tear on the top over here, on the bottom. Yeah, guys, I want to replace the top here soon. Check out these things here, guys. If anybody knows what those are for, throw it down in the comments. I'm not too sure what they're for. I think it's maybe for some kind of cover. Check out my seals too. Really clean. Need to figure out a way to preserve those a little bit. Keep them clean. Gotta figure out a way to where to put my Mario brother. Yeah, guys, I even painted the caps there. Painted those the other day just to do it. Little things at a time. I've been working weird hours, so I haven't been able to have any time to really get to work on it or mess with it like I would like to. But yeah, guys, that's probably gonna be it for now. I just wanted to make a quick little update video on the things that I had done to the Miata. I got a new wiring harness too. I'm gonna be switching out the radio here pretty soon. I might paint this red, the tombstone. Well, not this one. I have another one at the house. I might paint it red just to match the door handles there, but I'm not too sure. I don't want it to be ricey on this car. I want it to be nice, clean, a legit build, just clean stock, you know, looking. The JDM shift knob, I'm going to be taking that off here soon. I just put that in just to have something different. But yeah, everybody, that's probably going to be it for this quick video. Just wanted to come out here and chop up some game with you guys real quick. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. I appreciate everybody that watches the channel. And I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to comment if you own a Miata. And share the video if you like it. Later, guys.